Look, want to do it? Here, look. You do it. Here you go. Emma, sit. Here, Logan. It gives her the ball. So cute. You see that, Peter? He gives her the ball. Okay, here. You don't know whether to cry or laugh. Nana, you should see this. He's handing Emma the ball. Here. You give it to Emma. Give it to Emma.
I did that the other day.
What's he screaming? I can't see him because I'm cooking.
I don't know why he gets mad.